20,000 subscribers. Wow. No, honestly guys, thank you so much for 20,000 subscribers. I can't believe we are here. It is pretty insane. Thank you guys so much. It's crazy that I really started uploading videos on this channel not even hardly a year ago, and before a year ago this channel was called something else and it had like 4 subscribers on it, and I started posting in November 2018 daily, almost daily. So thank you guys so much. It has almost been a year since, you know, I started posting on this channel, and 20,000 is not bad. It's not horrible, it's not great, but hey, you know, I'll take it. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Let's see if we can do it. I know you guys can, but I did want to just say I really do appreciate all the support and help that I've got, and also to all the haters who watch my videos and comment and share and make videos about me. Thank you, because you know, all the traffic helps. Yeah, for you guys, my bank account is more full because of all of you guys making videos about me. Because I get paid for all the ads that play on my videos. So every time you click my video, I make a little bit of money. I'm just kidding. I just had to throw that out there to all the haters and just say, screw you guys. We're at 20,000 subscribers. So I wanted to just say, well, I wanted to do a little something special for you guys, because we're at 20,000, and what I wanted to do was I wanted to react to one of my first videos on this channel. And this was even before my channel was even called the Rideshare Hub. It was called Make Money Fast. That's what I started as. So let me just sync up my computer, and yeah, let's react to some old content, shall we? All right, so this is pretty much just gonna be a roast of myself, but here we go. This is me, the Rideshare Hub. So yeah, let's just go down to, you should be able to hear it, right? This is, well, either way, should be able to hear it through there, either way. So let's go to the oldest. So yeah, let's watch this one. So my first couple videos were not even about Uber or Lyft, how to make $100 with Bing, investing, acting. Let's react to this one. This is my first video ever on Lyft. Wow, this is a great ad. Always gotta watch the ads, guys. I need that ad revenue. Holy crap, that was the most intense ad I've ever watched in my life. Alright, so here's the first video. So as you can see, this was the name of my channel at the time. I was really good at design, you know. I just found some random photo of money on the internet. But, alright, let's get into it. Alright, hello everyone, how's it going? I am Dylan, your host of Make Money Fast. For today, I am doing pretty well. Have a nice cup of joe on my hands. Okay, I'm literally, I still have the same cup of joe. Nothing's changed. And I hope you guys are doing well too. So I don't know if this is the morning for you guys, the evening or whatever, but guys, I hope you are ready to start making some real money, okay? Also, look how tan I am in that video. In my little hair flip thing, it's like just going straight down. Also, I did want to say, I thought it's funny that I actually downgraded in my audio quality. I used to have a whole mic setup. My first video ever, I had a whole mic setup. I was like really serious about this. I'm gonna show you just how fast. Also, that was my favorite shirt. I think some girl took that in college. After you know, a fun night. I think she stole it from me. But, alright, let's keep watching. I made $1,000 driving for Lyft. Those are all ones, as you can see. I literally went to the bank before I made that video and I was like, can I get $100 in ones? I need it for the video. Because I was making another video. Well, whatever. I'll show you guys. I was making another video where I needed cash, and I thought it would be, I don't know, whatever. Okay, here we go. Made $1,000 driving for Lyft. Okay, so here I'm gonna get straight into the video. I'm gonna pop up my screen. Okay, it literally looks like I have a fake tan. I look like orange. That's not fake at all. That's totally real. I think I was just going to the beach like every single day. And I'm going to just show you how I make money driving for Lyft. Lyft is a really easy way to make money. You literally just drive people around. I'm talking like so awkwardly too. I'm like, Lyft is a great way to make extra money. You literally just drive people around. People usually aren't going that far. And the reason I drive for Lyft as opposed to Uber is because Lyft has bonuses. So if you complete a certain number of rides, then you get an extra bonus every single week. So, and also there's a gnarly sign-on bonus. Gnarly sign-on bonus, guys. If you sign up using my link below, you're gonna receive an extra couple $100 just for driving. I think right now it's like $300. It depends on your area. I had just signed up for Lyft. I was like so new at this area, but it's gonna vary. But sign up using that link below and you'll get it. Also, sorry I'm cutting this up so much. Look how white my teeth are in this video. Do you see that? I mean, they used to be so white. Just signing up and completing like 30 rides or something like that. So anyways, here I'm pop up my screen here. Yeah, you don't need to look at my messages. Okay, here we go. I have Lyft right there. I'm gonna open it up. But yeah, here it is. Earn $350. So if you're in Orange County, it'll be $350. That just depends on where you live. It'll vary. So today I've made $0. This week I've made $0. I haven't driven at all today, guys, or this week. So I've given 257 rides, and I've maintained a 5.0 rating. And 5-star driver right here. 5-star driver, baby. It's really easy to maintain a high rate. Okay. Oh, the power driver bonus. These were amazing. If you guys remember these, you had to do like 30 rides. No, yeah, 30 peak rides, 45 total rides, 90% acceptance rate. These bonuses were amazing. Like, yeah, 75 total rides, an extra $130 extra on cash. Okay, here are the bonuses, guys. So $60 for completing 45 rides, $130 for 75, and this is per week. Guys, if you can do 140 rides, that's 20 rides a day. It's not even that bad. You can do an extra $350, $315. I think I've only done over 20 rides a day, like once or twice. Like, I'm like safe. Let's do my payout activity. So, the last payout I made. Okay guys, I was doing express pay all the time. I really don't, I recommend doing, every time I do this, I had to spend 50 cents just to get my money out. So like, even here, I would have gotten $139.25, but I cashed out early. And I was doing this like multiple times a week. You never want to cash out until the end of the week. That was the whole video. All right, let's do, really quickly, let's do one more. Let's go to, let's watch this one, Q&A. Before we get started, if you want to be a Lyft driver, go ahead and look at this, guys. Link in the description. It's going to be the first link. Oh my gosh. To be a Lyft driver for a huge Alright, let's get right into it. I was so inspirational. What's up, everybody? How's it going? My name is Dylan, and welcome back to a video. Today is all about Lyft. This is just a general Q&A from somebody who's interested in driving for Lyft. I have my friend here. You're so sick, hello. Thanks. And she's gonna ask me just some general questions about driving for Lyft.
Hey Dylan.
Yes?
How much money can you make driving with Lyft?
That really depends on how often you want to drive. If you want to drive every single day for 10 hours, you're gonna make up to $2,000 per week. Yeah, but if you're like me and you just want to drive part-time. Dang, look how white my teeth are. You can make probably about $25 per hour on average. So if you drive about 10 hours per week, that's about what? $250 per week? That's an extra $1. Look how white my I can't zoom in, but.
So how does it work? Do you get to choose who you can drive?
I missed that hat.
So that kind of depends. Once you turn your Lyft driver app on, you're gonna get a request from somebody, and you can see how many.
All right, let's do one more. Oh, this was when I was trying to interview
How's
drivers.
It going, everybody, welcome back. This is Dylan from the Rideshare Hub, and today I'm with
Zia.
Zia?
Yeah.
I just taken a ride with this guy.
Doing a very short, quick interview. He is my rideshare driver.
It was so awkward.
Today, and we finished the ride, but I wanted to ask him a couple questions because I thought it was really cool. So, how long have you been driving for Lyft?
I've been doing it for about a month.
Okay, and you do both?
Okay, that one's not very entertaining. Yeah, guys. Maybe let's do one more. How to maintain a 5-star rating.
Alright, hello everyone. How's it going? This is my alarm wake up.
Oh my god.
I don't remember what that's for.
Why was I waking up so early?
I like to sleep through all my alarms. Hopefully all you guys are doing well. I got my nice cup of joe with me. Guys, if you haven't learned the format of these videos, they're very quick, they're very, you know, off the cuff. I don't script any of these videos.
Still don't.
Little notes that I have on my computer. But today's topic is how to maintain a 5-star rating on Lyft. Sorry, I forgot what we were talking about for a second. How to maintain a 5.0 rating. As you can see here, guys, I have a 5.0 rating. I've done 257 rides, and I've never gotten a rating below 5 stars. So my acceptance rate is 100%. That is super important, guys. I accept 100% of every ride that comes in, and I'm going to tell you why in a minute. But first off,
I still do. I still accept every single ride.
I just want to go over 5 ways that you can have 5-star ratings. The reason why ratings matter, guys, is because they're going to help you with your tips. When somebody requests a driver, and
you guys should always watch videos on 2x.
They're in the mindset that this guy is better than everyone else. So as soon as they get in the car, mostly everyone says, how do you have a 5-star rating? Because pretty much everyone else has like 4.8, 4.9, sometimes 4.5. But if you already have a 5.0 rating, it's momentum, guys. So if you're already, it's like any salesman says, the first sale is the hardest, and then after that, every single sale becomes easier. So having a 5.0 rating, it's easier to maintain it because you're not working up, you're just staying there. So.
Alright, boring. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I just wanted to, react to some of my older videos, and honestly, just again, thank you so much for 20,000 subscribers. I really do appreciate all the support, and if you can drop this video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And yeah, hopefully we can get to 50,000, 100,000, even 1 million subscribers soon. You guys are the best. I will talk to y'all soon. Have a great day, guys. Have an amazing day, and all right, bye guys. All right, later guys.